So I'm out here working on the 570. As you saw at the end of last video, the bike didn't want to start. So I unplugged the fuel pump and I hooked up a test light, and the fuel pump is not getting power. So then I took my jumper pin and I checked the wire here, and the ECU is not sending power to the fuel pump. So I'm thinking, why is it not sending power? All the fuses are okay. So then I started thinking about this kill switch. I know that the kill switch often goes bad on these bikes, but this seems fishy. So then I started tracing wires, and this is the wire for the kill switch. If you ground this wire, that should shut the bike off, I think. So I started tracing it and went back here, and oh, what's that? Looks like I pinched it while screwing in the computer after I installed the turn signals. So I'm going to try to fix this and see if that fixes the starting issue. So after loosening the bolt and pulling the wires out, you can see that it's just that one wire that's wrecked a bit. So I'm gonna put you guys down here and see if the bike starts. So I need two hands holding it away so it's not grounded. There we go. Okay. Well, at least it was an easy fix. Mistake on my end, but sometimes you do that. So I'll put it back together and fire up one more time. Okay, take two. Now I'll fire the bike up so that you guys can hear how she runs. Stock muffler, complete stock exhaust system. And there we go. 2010 Husaberg 570.